So I'm in Millawa now, beside the King River. I'm just doing a little loop walk this morning beside the snow road. Actually, that's what all the traffic's all about here. It's got the most peaceful spot. And there's the King River. All right, so my walk's finished. No, I don't know. I'm just going to walk up and down, check out the shops, maybe have a coffee. We'll see what we can see. So what the go is here, looks like I just follow the shared use path out of town until I get sick of it. Then turn around and walk back in. So I'm crossing the King River kind of floodplain here, just out of town. It's very noisy. Traffic on the snow road. The lawnmowers are out. So there's some nice old red gums on this floodplain. So I might have said I was at Millawa before. I'm actually at Oxley. Can't remember. Look, I'm going to turn around. I'm up at the what is it, Sam Miranda Winery. I'm going to head back into town to grab a coffee though. Yeah, it's been a nice enough walk, pretty easy, shared path. Very noisy with all the traffic though. But I mean, if you're stopping to stretch your legs for a little while in town, it's worth wandering out along this floodplain here. It goes for about, I don't know, between here and Oxley, crosses the floodplain. It's probably 300 metres each way on this nice path, so it's worth doing. So I'm back in town. It's a pretty small town, as you can see. So the coppers are kind of RBT or something set up down there. So I'm parked over in the park there. About 100 metres away, about halfway between me and the coppers, is a cafe. I might try it out and grab a coffee if I can. I think I'll call the walk there. I'll get back to you. I'm not sure what the town's got to offer. I've always just driven straight through. I've never stopped here. Got a nice park over there where I'm parked with a toilet and picnic area. So I've called the walk off at the roadhouse, heading back to the little cafe, which is about 20 metres away. Yeah, it's one of those kind of walks. Let's see if I can grab a coffee. It's something to eat. It's actually not a bad afternoon. It was freezing cold this morning, but it's warmed up a bit now. All right, back at the park where I set off from. Really, this is just a walk to do if you're heading to the snow on the snow road. It's a nice little park here for the kids to play in. There's toilet, barbecue. There's not a lot going on. There's a general store where I turned around. There's this cafe where I'm going to go to grab a coffee now. So the walk came out at about 2.5, probably 2.6. I had the the old trails that dropped the cobber. I forgot to turn it on or something at one stage. King River section is nice. Town's nice, in a country town, very quiet kind of way. Anyway, all right, catch you next time.